Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well and staying safe. Today I'm here to talk about the second step of addiction, which is we came to believe that there is a higher power than ourselves which can help us restore sanity. Now, as a first step revealed the illusion about addiction, the second step gave us hope about recovery. Now, before I start my topic today, if you haven't yet subscribed my channel, do subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. Now this second step shows us or gives us hope to believe that there is higher power which can help us through this addiction, which can keep us calm, which can heal us and which can restore sanity. Now this second step is not just an event, it's a process leading to recovery, as every day we learn new thing about this addiction. Many people confuse this second step of being religious, or this is for someone who is very religious, as the higher power is related to religion, but it is not. The higher power can be anyone. The higher power can be your psychiatrist, your psychologist, your family member, or anyone who you feel is more powerful than your addiction. Now we start having hope in the second step. To get out of this addiction, you start becoming more open-minded. You start having trust, believing, and you have faith that you can do it, as you see many people around you. Now many people who are addict and who are trying to become addiction free, or who wants to go toward recovery, they keep on repeating the same mistake but wants a different result. In this second step, they will leave themselves to someone who is higher in power over addiction to them, who can help them or show them the path that they are repeating the same mistake, or who can help them see what they are unable to see while they are going through addiction. As in first step, I would like you to question yourself, even in second step, like how hopeful you are today. The second thing about this second step is insanity. As many of the addicts, when they are addicts, they do dangerous things, they risk their relationship, they don't try to understand others' perspective, or their life is not proportional, they are out of balance. You have to question yourself, like how do you feel that the things you did, dangerous things, especially the dangerous things you did while to get the drugs, and how insane you were at that time, and how do you feel about yourself now? Are you able to take perspective of others? Do you feel your life is in proportion? So keep asking this question. After this, you start in second step, you start having belief that you can come out of this addiction. You can do things differently, as there is someone who is higher in power, who is standing next to you, who can help you, who can guide you out of this, and who will show you the right path, or who can make you understand what you are unable to understand when you are alone. Now you have to consider that these steps show you the way, and it means you need to keep moving every day, and you have to keep questioning yourself about your sanity, about how you feel that you are understanding, or you are becoming different, or you are having faith, you are having belief, how different you are feeling, how different your thoughts has become, so that you can get out of this addiction. In my next video I'll be sharing the third step. So till then, keep questioning yourself, keep following and understanding these steps, as this step, until and unless you don't understand them, you don't try to move on towards the recovery. Each day you will learn new thing about this disease, about this addiction. So keep learning, keep moving, keep growing. Till then, take care. Bye.